So, hello, second form. The final quick little video on the different types of rainfall. This one is talking about the type of rainfall called frontal rainfall. Now, this one is a little bit more complicated than the other two because you need two large blocks of air, which we call air masses. Okay, and those blocks of air, we usually will have one that is a warm air mass and one that is a cold air mass. And what happens is the warm air mass will run into the cold air mass. Now, because the warm air mass is less dense, then it rises up above the cold air mass, and the cold air mass kind of gets pushed down underneath it. And that results in this air, as it rises up, cooling by 1 degree every 100 meters. And that causes the warm air to rise and causes the water vapor in that warm air to condense, and then it forms tiny water droplets which all gather together and form clouds, and then eventually that will lead to rainfall. Now, this is the most common type of rainfall that we get in the United Kingdom, so it is quite an important one to know about.